You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People who are going, hope everybody good. Hope everybody have a good day. Today we are going to reasoning. We are going to IG reasoning. Because a portion of video me see a float around the internet where them kind of funny. You see me? Someone have to share them with my subscriber and people. Nobody come why me in the comment section and now through me say them funny. The video them hilarious. You see me? And some of them are social topic. So people, remember watch this video to the end to see if I'm going to shout out your comment. Because on every video I shout out a lucky person comment, we comment on the previous video. So before me go into the video, check out Pretty Dan, brother.
Let me know what they done, the man, the one, right now, me a
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, Come in, say YouTube, that tube, and such tube, yo.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now.
So first thing we have to talk about is Jah Vinci. He had a little bit too much to smoke and then him get too high. Check out this clip. So people, obviously, the more Jah Vinci smoke, the better him voice sound. Not saying the artist never sound good before, but the puff when him take out of the weed, the draw when him take out of the weed, it put him voice on the next level. Jah Vinci, me never know so you can touch them note there. Yo, Jano. People make me know what you think in the comment section. It look like say every time Jah Vinci go do a stage show or a stage performance, it better him buy a grand bag and smoke off everything. You can imagine if a one spliff that I do him so. Imagine a grand bag. Anyway, a little bit more.
Say, honey, you are my shining star. Don't you go away. Oh, baby, yeah, I wanna be right there where you are till the dying days. Yeah, baby. I see trees of green, red roses blue. I see them bloom from in you, and I think to myself.
So for all of the artists them we can't sing, aka Pretty Dan brother, uno can go link Jah Vinci for some other weed there. Me can bet uno say after uno done take one hit off of it. Uno can sing a little bit better instead of a be half key. That's how uno sound.
It's a celebration every time we link up, yeah. When the rich no fuck like Stevie Robber bring chuck, yeah. Everybody happy, come make we pop a buckle. Just enjoy yourself, no make nobody tap you.
So next video we want to talk about is Jamaican, Fast and Furious. So for my viewers that are not living in the Kingston area, you see me? Them would have find this shocking, but anybody will live at Kingston or take the Mullines Road taxi them or Red Hills Road taxi them, see them thing here regular where the taxi man them are run from transport. You see me? It's either them they are bus stop a load and you just hear one of the man them walk out and say transport and everybody just take for themselves. You see it? But right now I don't know, it look like the transport a run down the brother here, and let me just play the video. Here is it. So people, I put the car in a reverse and then reverse down the one way, like some real transporter things. Anyway, for the people them who probably don't know what is transport, cause they hear me as a transport. So transport authority is the government body, government agency put in place to regulate public transportation. So they're supposed to work hand in hand with the police, but more time they move like a mafia star and just drive down the people them and run them vehicle in a them and like some bad people something in the pan. So people, after that video begin circulate on the internet, me see Jamaica Constable Air Force official Twitter page release this tweet. The Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch L2 taxi operators today, each with over 700 outstanding tickets. One had 772 and the other one have 751. Both were taken into custody and will face the court tomorrow. Hashtag A Force for Good. I don't know people. I don't know if it's the same taxi person and him get caught. I don't know, but leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Anyway, moving on. So people, wanna check out this video and tell me in the comment section what you really think. And just for the record, this is why I kinda don't trust girls. Now, if this girl can just move up her tongue with a razor blade in her mouth without the razor blade slit in her tongue, me if y'all sleep with she, I'm mad, you mad man. So if y'all imagine say me and her all day, I'm just go give her and bun with a hot girl and if I go sleep beside her she. If I go see girl, I'll just get mad and slit my throat. But then on another hand, if she can do that with her tongue to a razor, imagine what she can do to. So next video, Yanique into girls. Check this out.
Pretty, I saw me clean from there. Pretty, I can't carry my pretty all the way from Jamaica to get a pretty wine right up in Antigua. Oh man, no sir. But I'm praying I'm getting a wine.
So Yanique there looking hot as usual, but she said she can't go Antigua. By the way, that Antigua she did there. She can't go Antigua and no get no dance from no Jenna. She can't go Antigua and no get no dance from no thugs. You see me? So just when Yanique said that, look at who fly up on the stage.
You can't manage him? I shame you know. Stop. I think she want wine with the man.
No, that maga girl says she want to wine with Yanique, the curvilicious diva. I wonder how it a go work. Make us sing now. Yes. I am as shocked as you. So people, that's it for today. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. You see me? Was it entertaining? What did you find it fun? Let me know. And for this week, down in the comment section, come from Tisha. And she comment and well, me I go read the comment. I don't know I go know which video she comment under. Them mania, inna them feelings, them too bad mind alkaline. I like Shano as an artist, but him can't tell another man how to run him own platform. The vlogger them not tell no artist how to run them thing. This is stupid. And people, I did a video a couple days ago about Shano this up the vloggers, and right now to me that are the hot topic, you know. Shano this up the vlogger them wicked, you see me. And me do a video I express how me feel, and Tisha comment that under it. So me I go link, or you can click the top right hand corner of the screen if you take you to that video and you see what me have to say about that video. You see me never go talk my mind right now. Just go up and watch that video there and watch more views and think what you think about it. Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget, if you like the video, give it a like, no man. And if you don't, just state in the comment section why you don't. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.